What is up, Nerd Nation? In today's video, we're going to be opening the brand new First Partner Collector's Binder. All right, roll the intro. For those of you that aren't sure what this is part of the Pokemon Company's 25th anniversary release that they're going to be putting out every couple of months. So to start off, they're going to put out this binder. It comes with the jumbo card. We'll talk about what all's in it in a bit. So once a month for the next 8 months, the Pokemon Company is going to be releasing special edition packs that are just to celebrate the 25th anniversaries. We're not entirely sure what all is going to be included with these packs going forward. All we know is that each month they're going to be releasing a different starter generation, and it will basically have a reprint of the starter from that set. So the original Sword and Shield all the way back to Gen 1 with the original starters, Squirtle, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu. We don't fully know what else is going to be included, but they're starting off with this binder. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what we're looking at. So we have the First Partner Collector's Binder. This is the first thing they're going to be releasing. It's supposed to be coming out on the 26th. And we will go ahead and open it and see what else it includes. So first off, it's got a binder. And this is not your normal binder. So this is actually going to be for your jumbo cards. So I have several of those. I've talked about those on the channel. And now I have a place to put them. Kind of a different setup than I would be used to. So you actually slide the cards in from the bottom, not from the top or the side. So that's what we're looking at, and I will show you. The first one we got is a Pikachu. So you can see this is definitely a jumbo. Let me grab a card. This is a normal size card, and it has the 25th anniversary icon on there. So actually, after kind of looking at it, I don't know if there's an issue with my binder, but the rest of the pages are actually from the top. So I don't know, I guess maybe this is an error. I actually bought 2 of these for the collection, so not a big deal. It is kind of funny that there's an error. I would assume that's what it is, because I don't know why anyone would load it from the bottom. Typically with people's binders, they stack them, or they stand them up. So kind of like this. So we got my binders over here. They're all standing up. Definitely an error. We also have this Train On Celebration paper. So basically it just talks about each of the different sets and when they're going to be released. So we'll start with the Galar region. Will come out in March. And then we have Alola, Kalos, Unova, all the way to Kanto in October. And then, it's also got a checklist so that you can make sure that you've collected everything. Another thing that's kind of cool is that actually they kept the original card numbers. So Squirtle was 63, or like for Grookey, Sword and Shield 001. So they kept the original numbers. Like I said, it is a reprint, so that's pretty cool. And then we also got 3 packs. We'll zoom in just a little bit. So we got everyone's favorite. We have Steam Siege. We have everyone's second favorite, Rebel Clash. And we have Vivid Voltage. So that's all that's included. It is a little bit more expensive. It's $19.99. But you do get 3 packs. You get the binder, and then you get the jumbo card. I would say it's a little bit more expensive right now because you're not buying it for the packs. You're buying it for the portfolio. So let's go ahead and open these packs. And then we will go into some Shining Fates, because that's what everyone wants to see right now, and that's what I really want to be opening as well. So we will start with Steam Siege. I do not hate this set, but I know a lot of people do not like it. So code card. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a green code card, so not the best. We'll zoom in just a little bit. So we have Druddigon, Ninja Boy, Azumarill. I like these double type cards. I think they look really cool, and I think this is also a beautiful card. I think it's considered a shiny, which makes it even cooler. So we got Greedy Dice, Yanma, Meryl, Sneasel, Litleo, Nidoran, Reverse Hollow Persian, and I did the card trick wrong. So Dredagon was our rare. I don't hate this set. I think some of the artwork, like this Nidoran, is really cool. The style of the art, everything's very Steam Siege. So I like the set. It's probably would spend my money elsewhere. If I get packs, they're fine. So we have Rebel Clash, code card. Move that out of the way. We have Energy, Chatot, Dracloak, Lampent, Lotad, Clefairy, Voltorb, Growlithe, Dreepy, Reverse Hollow Lombre, and a Scizor. Very nice. It's not a hollow, but I really like Scizor. Or Scizor. I've always called it Scizor, but I've recently heard other YouTubers call it Scizor, so I'm kind of testing it out. I like Scizor more, so we'll do the Vivid Voltage. So move that out of the way. Got a green code card. Enjoy that. So 4 from the back. Energy, Wyndham Stadium, Zebstrika, Excadrill, Wailmer, Tynamo, Execute, Chatot, Clobopus, Reverse Hollow Slugma, and a Shedinja. I don't know that I have that rare, but now I do. Here are the big boys. We're going to do some Shining Fates. So we have a Bunnelby. We have another Poltigeist. And then we have a Pikachu V-Box. So let's start with the Poltigeist. Once again, we have the promo card. Just a Poltigeist. Sleeve that up. So, and then we have 3 packs. We have a code card. So we started with the Corviknight. So we have code card, Energy, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Floatzel, Morpeko, Yanma, Horsey, Shinx, Spinarak, Reverse Hollow Rowlet, and a Manaphy for our rare. So, not a great pack. I think I already have this Reverse Hollow, but we'll sleeve that up just in case we don't. We'll zoom out just a little bit so we can create a little bit more space. Alright, so we'll save the Charizard for the end. Put that there. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Rusted Sword. Ball Guy. Thwackey. Choodle. Yanma. Morpeko. Eevee. Gossifleur. A Reverse Hollow Galarian Darumaka. And a Celebi. Very cute. I think we might have pulled this off camera, but very cute regardless. And who doesn't love the baby shinies in this set? Alright. And the Celebi is beautiful. I don't know if they have a holo in the set for some reason. I haven't seen anyone pull it. It's a shame if there's not, because this is a beautiful card. Let's zoom. Let's look at this. That's beautiful. Alright. We'll go to the Charizard. Stop talking about the Celebi. Whew. That one did not want to come out. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Energy, Floatzel, Gym Trainer, Thwackey, Spinarak, Morpeko. I love that artwork. Grookey, Horsey, Coughing, a Reverse Hollow Zarude, and a Frostmoth. Don't think we have that Reverse Hollow, so we'll sleeve that up. I do think I have the Hollow Frostmoth, but that is okay. All right, so now we're gonna do the Bunnelby. So I don't think I opened this in my first video, So this one does come with a Bunnelby promo card. Very cute. Comes with the Bunnelby pin. There it is. Very cute. And then we have 3 packs. As well as a promo card. Or a code card. Whatever. You guys know what I mean. Alright, let's get into this one. So we're going to start with the Corviknight. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have an Energy, Luxio, Thwackey, Ball Guy, Coughing, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Choodle, Eevee, Reverse Hollow Trapinch, and a Luxray Hollow. Pretty sure I don't think I knew that this card was in this set. Definitely reused artwork, but that's okay. I like Luxray. We'll do the Dragapult. Code card. We have an Energy, Thwackey, Tropius, Gym Trainer, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, Buizel, Shinx, Reverse Hollow Ball Guy, and a Volcanion. Alright, so we have a Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Horsey, Yanma, a Reverse Hollow Applin, very cute. Apparently we forgot to do the card trick, so we will do Cramorant, Thwackey, Ball Guy, and Energy. And then for our rare, we have a Volcanion again. Another shiny. Let's go ahead and get into the Pikachu box. We got the Pikachu promo card and jumbo card again. I did just check, and that will fit in the portfolio. The Pikachu. We have 4 packs. So, enjoy that. We're going to save the Charizard for the last again. Alright, let's get in here. Wow, that one opened easily. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have an Energy, Eldegoss, Rusted Shield, Rotom, Qfont, Snom, Yanma, Eevee, Morpeko, Volcanion, Reverse Hollow, and a Frostmoth Hollow. Nice. Got the Dragapult. I thought the code card on that last one was facing the other direction. Oh well. Code card. We have a Cacnea. Let's do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Floatzel. Luxio. Rusted Sword. Horsey. Qfont. Choodle. Yanma. A Alcremie. Shiny. Very nice. And then we have a Volcanion. We have pulled so many Volcanions in this video. But this Alcremie is very nice. Is it supposed to have this giant black spot on it? It looks really weird like that. I'll have to look that up, but regardless, very cute card. Another Dragapult. Code card. 2, 3, 4. We have an Energy, Luxio, Thwackey, Ball Guy, Trapinch, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee. More Pico. Reverse Hollow Manaphy. And a Luxray for our rare. So obviously would prefer some shinies, but I do like Luxray, and I don't think I had the Reverse Hollow Manaphy. Alright, comes down to this. The Charizard. Code card. 4. You have an Energy. Rusted Sword. Ball Guy. Thwackey. Nickit. Gossifleur. Cacnea. Qfont. Buziel. A shiny Yamper. That is extremely cute. And we'll get the Charizard. No. We did get a Holo Rillaboom, but that Yamper is very cute. So our journey for the Charizard continues. Let's look at what all we got. 4 shinies. 5 holos. 5 reverse holos. And then we got our 3 promos.
Energy, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Dartrix, Horsey, Yanma, Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur, Lapras VMAX. Oh, it's a shiny Lapras VMAX, I'm being told. And a Yanmega.
So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of the new portfolio? What are you guys thinking about Shining Fates? How are things going with getting cards? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Watch some videos over here. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you all in another one. All right, bye.